The problem when users don't have a role is that no one knows what their capabilities are on your site, and we know that it can be really hard to find all the users who don't have a role from WordPress. To help you with this, we'll show you how to apply a search filter that will find all users without a role, and assign them one using the WordPress Users Spreadsheet plugin. With this plugin, you can also export and import user profiles using a CSV file. You can download the plugin from the link we have left in the description of this video. You'll also find another link to visit our written tutorial. To search for users without a role, you must first open the search tool. Tick here to enable the advanced filters. Then, select the Capabilities field. The prefix will depend on your site. For example, in our site the prefix is WPDK, but you just need to make sure it includes the capabilities part. Choose the operator equal. And leave this field empty. Finally, run the search. After filtering the users, they will be displayed in the spreadsheet, so you can proceed to assign roles individually. For this, just go to the role column and assign the role you want. Once you're done, remember to save the changes. Now let's see how to assign the same role to all the filtered users at once. For that, open the Bulk Edit tool. Select the fields to edit. In this case, will be all the rows from our current search. Enter the field role. Choose the Set Value option here. Now enter the role you want to assign to the filtered users. And execute. After these simple steps, the role we entered will be assigned to all the filtered users. Definitely, the WordPress Users Spreadsheet plugin simplifies your experience when managing thousands of user profiles. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.